Tonight, Paris feels like a dream you can walk through. Welcome, my friends, to Place de la République, where the city glows a little brighter and the night hums with its own quiet poetry. As I step into the square, colors ripple across the pavement. Reflections from streetlights, neon signs, and passing cars blending like strokes on a painter's canvas. It's late, but the city is wide awake. The air is filled with voices, soft laughter, distant music, the rhythm of footsteps weaving past one another. Every sound feels like part of a larger symphony. And there she stands, Marianne, illuminated against the night sky, steady, graceful, eternal. Her presence anchors the square, watching over strangers, locals, wanderers, all passing beneath her with their own stories. A couple poses for a photo, capturing the moment where city and soul meet. Nearby, a traveler quietly films his own memories, just like you and me, collecting pieces of Paris to keep forever. The breeze brushes past, carrying the scent of the night. The colors deepen, the shadows breathe, and everything slows into a gentle rhythm, as if the whole world decides to exhale at once. There's something magical about night walks here. You realize that Paris isn't just a place, it's a feeling, a whisper, a soft glow in the heart that stays long after you leave. If this journey touched you, even for a moment, feel free to like the video,